Ladies and gentlemen, before we can start this event, we want to honor and dedicate a small tribute to one of the best souls from the Bollywood music industry. He have ruled our hearts. It's time now. He may have left us soon, but his legacy will always be remembered. Please join me